Hello friends, how is everyone? I hope everyone is doing very well. So friends, we have come with our new video today. The new content of today's video is going to be how to fix internet connection problems on Windows 10 or 11. So this problem is being seen by many. In today's video, we will show how to fix this problem. So let's start the video without further delay. First, you need to come here on Windows and search for IntSPL CPL. You have to search for this and you need to search for the CPL. Then you have to open it. After opening, an interface like this will appear in front of you. After coming here, you will see many options such as general, security, privacy, content, connections at the top. You will need to click on connections. After that, as you scroll down a bit, you will see an option called LAN setting. You need to click on LAN setting. After doing that, if there is any problem with your internet related to this proxy server, you need to turn it on and click OK here. After clicking OK, you need to apply it here. Once you apply it, the internet connection problem you are facing will be fixed. Alright at here. So friends, if you liked our video, please give a like, subscribe to the channel and share it. Now I'm leaving. See you in the next video.